Let's talk about the equipment you need at home to get a great home workout. And guess what? The good news, you don't need much. I have gotten great home workouts with literally nothing. When I'm traveling and I have nothing, I'll throw a towel down on the ground and I'm good to go. So I'll tell you my top 3 things that you need to get a good home workout. One is a workout mat, and I'll put links to some of my favorites below. So in actuality, do you really need a workout mat? Can you use a towel? Can you use the carpet? Yes, you can. A mat is nice though for a couple reasons. One is it's going to give you a little extra cushion that can just feel really nice on your body. Another is it's going to give you some grip. So that's the biggest one for me personally when I'm doing things like bridges or a down dog pose or anything on hands and knees. It feels really nice to have a little extra grip. I can slide on the carpet really easily, so I like to have the mat. And then the final piece of why a mat can be helpful is it actually is a signal that tells your body that it is time to work out. You roll that mat out and it's like your special space and your time to get a little movement in. So one thing I recommend is having a really simple exercise mat. I don't think you need anything fancy. I don't think you need anything with a ton of cushion, but again, just a simple exercise mat can make a difference. The second thing I recommend is having a pair of hand weights. This can change any workout, and as you know, I love weights. I recommend everybody lift weights at least twice a week for general health and strength. And so a light pair of hand weights, if you can invest in 2 pairs, even better. If you're a beginner, I recommend having a pair of 3-pound and a pair of 8-pound. If you're a little more advanced, I recommend having a pair of 5-pound weights and a pair of 10-pound weights, okay? So again, you don't need anything fancy. You don't need any weights that change and give you a ton of different options, but 2 pairs would be really helpful to have. They can be really easy to find. So again, 3s and 8s if you're on the beginner end. Have a pair of 5 and 10s if you're maybe on the more intermediate end. And then the final thing I recommend that again isn't necessary, but I think can be really helpful is to have a plan or someone to follow so that you have an idea of what to do every day. Now again, you can come right here to YouTube. You can choose any workout you want on any given day. You can move in any way that feels good to you. That's the number one thing to know. There are no rules when you're just moving your body. But what I find sometimes is that people won't always reach their goals if they don't have a plan. If they're just picking workouts kind of haphazardly for whatever feels good that day, you're going to do good things for your body for sure, but you might not necessarily reach your goals because you're not doing it in a really purposeful and intentional way, or you might lose motivation. So that's why I have a program called Unlimited, or I recommend various programs out there that you're following someone and following a plan. In Unlimited, I tell people what to do each day. We have a workout calendar. Again, it's completely optional, but if you want to know that good plan of how many times a week to lift weights, when to do cardio, when to get Pilates in, when to stretch, that's what my monthly workout calendar will do. And you can just go to that calendar. It tells you exactly what workout to do. You click on it and you know what to do that day. So that can be really helpful if you find you're limited on motivation, if you're limited on accountability, or you simply want someone telling you what to do every day, which can be really helpful. So again, things I think you need really simple for a good home workout. 1, have an exercise mat. 2, have a pair of hand weights so you can really start to develop that strength. And then 3, find a plan, whatever it is for you, but find a plan that's going to work, that you will stick to, that excites you and motivates you. And I'll have a link for all those things below. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to be notified when I have new videos that come out. You can find more, including my exclusive Unlimited community with full-length workouts, a workout calendar, recipes, and more over at jessicavalantpilates.com. Join our Unlimited program. I would love to see you there.